Can you sell halo-halo or ice cream to a typical Filipino during Christmas Eve? Or have them buy jacket or hot drink during summertime? If you can, then probably you have the ability to convince or persuade. Welcome to another episode of educational vlog series in my channel. This is Sir Roy, and for this video, I will be sharing another pattern of text development, which is persuasive text. Without further ado, let's start the discussion. A persuasive paragraph intends to convince readers to do or believe in something. Many writing genres such as critics or reviews, reaction papers, editorials, proposals, advertisements, and brochures make strong use of persuasive paragraphs to state opinions and to influence others. There are three common techniques that you can use in developing a persuasive paragraph: using evidence, giving examples, and attacking an opposing view. When using evidence, you can use strong evidence such as facts and statistics and statement of expert authorities and research findings to create impact and establish credibility. Readers will more likely be convinced to side with your position or agree with your opinion if it is backed up by verifiable evidence. Here is a paragraph example. The Philippine government should take measures to decrease class sizes in public schools, as it is one of the biggest problems in the Philippine education system. Class sizes have gone up to 75 to 80 students per class. And newspapers reported that of the 764 public schools in the metropolis, 82% had to resort to conducting classes in two shifts, one that starts as early as 6 in the morning and another that ends as late as 6 in the evening. The shortage of school classrooms and the class sizes have a massive effect on children's education. According to the National Education Research and Testing Center, only 68% of 6th grade students were able to achieve a passing score in science and mathematics. And secondary students fared even worse, with only barely 50% of students passing the same subjects. If the government does not act on improving the class sizes in public schools, we cannot expect public school students to fare better in their academics. The given texts make use of evidence supporting the idea that the government should take measures to decrease class sizes in public schools. It uses facts, statistics, and information from credible authorities that helps support this statement. Another technique to persuade the readers is by giving examples. Providing examples can enhance your idea or opinion and make it concrete. These examples can be based on observations or from your own personal experience. When using examples, they must be concrete, relevant, and reasonable. Here is a paragraph example. I think our employees should be required to undergo a workplace sensitivity training. Disrespecting co-workers based on appearance, gender, or beliefs can lead to loss of employees. For instance, one of our best employees quit last week because of derogatory remarks regarding his faith. We also had a major incident last month involving verbal aggression between two employees, which ended with both parties resigning. If our employees are not made aware of their bad actions and uncivil behavior toward others, there may be more cases like these. This persuasive paragraph aims to influence the intended reader to recognize the need for sensitivity training in their workplace. The use of actual examples regarding disrespect in the workplace helps support the stated opinion. The third one is attacking an opposing view. In this persuasive technique, you assert your opinion by attacking or criticizing someone or an opposing idea. Belittling someone's idea, dismissing the credibility of someone or an idea, and making fun of someone's idea are some forms of attack that can be used to strengthen your opinion. However, this technique can insult or alienate the readers if excessively done. Here is a paragraph example. saying that Queen Elizabeth I of England is the greatest monarch who ever lived is simply preposterous. People often depict her as wise and just. However, they seem to forget that her reign reflected violations of human rights and social injustices. Her natural charisma may have won her the love of the public, but her government was highly corrupt. Queen Elizabeth I is certainly far from the idealized queen that many people continue to love. This persuasive paragraph criticizes the people's view of Queen Elizabeth I as the greatest monarch of all time. People's opinion about Queen Elizabeth I, which are contrary to what the writer thinks, are portrayed as foolish and ridiculous. To wrap it up, a persuasive paragraph intends to convince the readers to do or believe in something. You may give example, you may use facts or evidence, or attack the opposing view in order to write your own paragraph. I hope you learned something from this video. See you when I see you. Stay radical.